I am Mikalsom Epande. Article 27. Duration and effect of penalty. Reclusion perpetua. Entirety 30 years and 1 day to 40 years. Reclusion temporal 12 years 1 day and 1 day to 40 years. Prison mayor perpetua temporary absolute special. Disqualification 6 years and 1 day to 12 years. Prison correctional and correctional and suspension distero 6 months and 1 day to 6 years. Arresto mayor 1 month and 1 day to 6 years. 6 months to 6 months. Arresto minor 1 to 3 days 1 to 30 days. Thank you.